All right, what's up everybody? Coming back at you again with another Jeep Wrangler here at Southern Motor Company. So this one right here is a 2016 JKU, and man oh man, it's got a lot of nice options on it. So we'll walk through it today, check it out, and see what it's all about. Silver in color. I'm loving the contrast with the black. Man, it looks really sweet. Definitely got a lot of aftermarket features on it, and it's a very, very clean Wrangler as well. It's got the ARB front bumper, 9,500 pound winch up here. Also got some nice looking LED light bars. One here, one there. Headlights are in great shape. Got a little bit different aftermarket front grille. Makes it look a little more aggressive. Also have a little different fender setup on the vehicle. You have the aftermarket hood here, which looks really good. Fully functional with the vents to let the air breathe and all that and get some of the heat out of there. You also have on your A pillars up front right here on these corners, you got your fog lights there. AEV provides this right here, which is going to help you go through some water and things like that. If you plan on doing some off-roading or going through a creek, that's going to really be super helpful. But basically, most of y'all already know, but this is an intake system. You got your filter right up in there. I like the JK stickers on the fenders, looking pretty sweet. You got open country Toyo tires. Those are 35 by 12.5s, wrapped onto 17-inch fuel wheels, which look really good. Black with the silver with the bead locks. Also, we got our rough country lift kit, shock springs, all that good stuff. Alignment's good. It's not real pulling. It doesn't pull a whole lot when driving down the road or at all. And you're going to see that shortly here when we hit the streets and take it for a test drive. So it doesn't have a whole lot of play. Whoever did all the work on it did a really nice job. And it's just a beautiful Wrangler. I really don't think this Jeep has necessarily been heavily off-roaded. Just by looking at it, a lot of times people buy Jeeps and they do a lot of this stuff to it to give it the look and don't always take it off-roading. But hey, if you own it, you can always have a little fun with it because it is super capable of getting out there on the off-road and having some fun. That's what it's all about. I like that it's got the fifth wheel to match on the back. Also got your ARB rear bumper with the fog lights. Tail lights look good. Paint is in pristine condition. Let's take a quick look underneath. There you go. Got some different exhaust pipes under there and all that. It looks really good. It's not rusted out or anything like that. So in really nice shape. Again, 2016 JKU. This Jeep has just around 127,000 miles on it. So mileage isn't too bad. With the 3.6 VVT under the hood. Plenty of storage space in the back. And in just a minute, we'll start looking at the interior. And again, we'll take it down the street and see how she drives. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, we're sitting inside the Magnesium JKU. And let's see how it rides today. Sits up nice and high, I like. And pretty quiet sitting inside the cabin here. But in reality, I know some of y'all that are interested in buying a Jeep like this, you probably are curious on how it drives, right? And I'll tell you, it drives just like it should drive. A Jeep Wrangler lifted. You know, that's what it's all about. It's not going to drive like the Chevy Tahoe or your Lincoln Town Car. It's going to drive just like a Jeep Wrangler should drive. Let's go ahead and take it down the road here. Exhaust sounds good. It's not overly loud. It sounds really nice. Just a good tone to it. You know, it's not obnoxious sounding, which I like. Acceleration is good. Plenty of power. Again, it's going to be a great mall crawler, as they call it, or an off-roader, whatever you want to do with it. Really, in reality, that's what this is for. I love the idea of being able to get the family in, load up the back with suitcases and bags, and go camping, go have a little fun. Wow, man, that thing rolls. I mean, I really like that. That's nice. It's a little more power than I expected out of it, you know. I mean, it does have some weight to it. It's a Jeep Wrangler 4-door, and the interior is really nice in here too, as you can see. Pretty much all stock on the inside. Doesn't have a whole lot done to the interior. You know, a lot of times folks do all this stuff to the outside and they just kind of leave their inside, just like this one right here. But let me tell you folks, if you buy this one, which is nice about it, is the outside's already all dressed up. So you can spend a little extra money and buy you some fun stuff for the inside. And you'll be good to go. Or just leave it just like it is and just enjoy driving. All right, guys, let's hop out. We're at our regular spot to take interior photos, and we'll hop out and take a look at the inside of this Jeep Wrangler. All right, so let's take a look at it, right? Seats look good. Main thing we're kind of paying attention to when looking at the interiors of cars is the condition of the interior, right? And again, look at it. The seats look nice and clean. No rips, no tears or anything like that. You got your Jeep Wrangler rubber mats down there, which look good. Steering wheel's in good shape. Cup holders look good. Armrest is in great shape here. No rips, no tears there, not heavily worn out. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive controls there. AC blows cold. I mean, look how clean the inside of this Wrangler is. Also, I like to see that this has got the factory windshield up here with the Jeep logo. That's how you know. And so not that we, you know, here's the thing. If you see a windshield like that with those logos, that means you got the OEM windshield in the car. It does have switches because there is quite a bit of LED lighting throughout the vehicle, and we'll check that out in a moment. Also, you got your handles up here and right here. Looks good. Again, let me tell you something, folks. If you take your Jeep off-roading to the point where your whole Jeep is covered in mud, and you drop the tops, you take the doors off, and mud gets all over your vehicle, it is not easy cleaning it all off. So when we're looking at a Wrangler, we're looking at it and we're checking it out and we're seeing if there's mud on the inside, you know, things like that, because that's a good indication that it's been off-roaded like that, right? And I know a lot of people watching probably are Jeepers, and I'm not degrading anything about a Jeep Wrangler going off-roading, but what I'm saying is sometimes when you're out there going to buy yourself a Jeep Wrangler, you might not want one that's been heavily off-roaded. Some people want one that's already been done like that because they're wanting to do all that kind of stuff. And a lot of times the Jeep that they're buying that's been done like that has the stuff on it that you want. But again, sometimes some folks just want it because they want to enjoy the look of it and be able to go off-roading, do a little light off-roading with it. Or they want to go to the beaches, go visit the mountains, and all of that. Anyways, this one's in really nice shape, as you can see. All your lights are working. There's your light bar there working good. That one's on. And those are on. Let me tell you something, folks. I took a vacation up to the mountains during spring break with my family. I don't know if I was recording just now. My phone just said the battery's getting close to being dead. But I took a vacation during spring break with my family. Went up to the mountains up in North Carolina. And let me tell you, when you go up to the mountains and all that, these lights would have been so nice to have on my Toyota 4Runner, because going around those sharp corners and turns, climbing up Grandfather Mountain or up in Boone or Banner Elk, wherever you're going, Asheville, those LED lights are going to brighten up that road for you at night. Now, you definitely want to be able to cut them on and off if cars are coming towards you. But again, if you're going out there doing that kind of stuff with your vehicle, it would be really nice to have all these extra lights, because there's just not a whole lot of street lighting when you get up in those types of areas on the paths of, you know, the Blue Ridge Parkways and all of that. And what a beautiful place to go and visit and do that kind of stuff. But man, oh man, it'd be nice to have all these extra LED lights and everything like that, just to lighten up anything and everywhere you're at with your vehicle, with your family. So that's pretty good stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my photos real quick for the website. So visit Southern Motor Company website For Carfax report and more beautiful photos of this Jeep, just go online to southernmotorscosc.com or just Google us, Southern Motor Company. Also, I want to let you know, we do ship cars. If you don't live here in Charleston necessarily, but you want to buy a car from down south, that's why I make these videos. If you live in Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, Georgia, Florida, wherever it's at, we have people on the phone calls ready for when we call. We can put a truck, we can get a truck together, a transport vehicle, put that vehicle on it, and ship it right to your house. You wire the money in, mail us a check. Once we get the cash, we'll put it on the truck and ship it right to you. So that's what it's all about. You don't even have to drive all the way down here to Charleston to get the vehicle that you always dreamed of. So think about that too. All right, everybody, back at it with you, right? So I know a lot of y'all are probably thinking towards the end of the video here, what kind of money to buy this Jeep Wrangler? Well, here at Southern Motor Company, we are selling this Jeep right here for $27,900. So $27,990 for a 2016 JKU, fully loaded and decked out. Great looking truck, great looking rig, as they may call it. Again, around 127,000 miles, runs perfect, drives great, very clean. I don't think I can give you too many reasons why not to buy this Jeep if you're out there looking for one. So again, let me know if you're interested in buying this one. Give us a call at 843-277-2983. You can also call me directly on this phone right here. My iPhone is 843-345-0075, and you can reach out to me and we can make some business happen, okay? Thank you again. Have a great day. And if you're looking for a Jeep Wrangler, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Always keeping a few Jeep Wranglers out here at the store, 2 doors and 4 doors. We even got a classic CJ7 right now, 1976, absolutely beautiful with a V8, 3-speed manual. So we got that. And you know, we always keep Toyota Tacomas. We really haven't had a whole lot of Toyota 4Runners. It's a little bit easier for us to buy Tacoma trucks, but we do sometimes get 4Runners. And so anyways, depending on what you're looking for, we probably got it. And we have other Jeeps as well, Jeep Renegades, Grand Cherokees. Got a little bit of everything at Southern Motor Company. So visit us online and see what there is that you're looking for. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.